The Taos Hum. Imagine living in a town where every night you hear a strange hum that no one can explain. In Taos, New Mexico, out of 8,000 residents, only 150 reported hearing a low, engine-like sound. The hum has been reported for decades. In 1995, researchers from the University of New Mexico and Los Alamos National Lab investigated. They interviewed residents and used sensitive equipment, but they couldn't record anything unusual. The hum's frequency was estimated at 80 hertz, like the lowest note on a guitar. Some say it's in the human ear, not the world. But its true source? Still unexplained. More true stories every day. Subscribe.